Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lubna. Today I'm going to run this webinar, but before that, I really like to say welcome you all for the webinar, and we are sitting together today to talk about Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. That is an ERP solution specifically designed by Microsoft and powered by Microsoft for the small to medium businesses. We are TMR Consulting, and we are gold partners of Microsoft for implementing these business applications in different industries. And also, we are tier one CSP partners. That means we are tier one cloud service providers for Microsoft, based in Pakistan, basically, and we have footprints elsewhere in the world. So I'll give a presentation now about the company too. But yeah, let's start. Let's start. The today's webinar formally. So I hope everyone can see my screen now. And on this screen, we are talking about obviously the technology we are going to discuss about. That's Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. It comes under the umbrella of the Dynamics, Microsoft Dynamics family, where where Microsoft has actually categorized two type of ERP solutions or three types of ERP solutions. These are the cloud-based ERP solutions. One is obviously for the enterprises and the bigger organizations. That is Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Operations. It comes with a lot of more apps, and yeah, it caters a lot of the enterprise level of, functionalities in it. But if we talk about obviously for the small to medium businesses, which are actually or the startups or any business who wants to implement, or anyone or any organization who wants to migrate from their traditional or conventional accounting softwares to actually go to a robust technology where everything is seamlessly done, the financials, the inventory controls, and the analytics about your business are being catered in just one place. There comes Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. So I'll formally start the presentation. That was the preamble about Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. So here on this screen is our CEO's message. Our CEO is also, welcoming on his behalf. I'm today welcoming you to this webinar. And also, I would like to, share his vision about having, prospective customers on boards by, giving you, the platforms and technologies either from Microsoft or partnered with them. We have ourselves developed a lot of applications so that we enable you to embark your digital transformation journey with us. So that was a short, gist of our CEO's message. And now we'll see what exactly we have for you in today's webinar. If we talk about the outline itself, what we are going to discuss in this webinar, we will be obviously introducing TMR Consulting to you in a formal way, in a better detailed way. And then we'll be talking about the key features of the technology we are discussing today, or which is under discussion today. And we'll be obviously discussing the case studies or the customer stories that we have built over the years, implementing this exact technology and how we have elevated their businesses, or we have helped them grow their businesses exponentially. So yes, and followed by a demo. I would like to show you a demo of the technology itself. If I'm not able to, present a demo because of the short span of time we are given today, but I'll try to, make you see the inside of the technology and the capabilities of it, of course. Then we'll conclude the webinar with a QA session, and I hope whoever is joining today, whether it's from here, from elsewhere, I would like you to actually get engaged with us, or start asking questions, whichever questions you have, or what type of question regarding this topic. You can always ping us in the chat right here in front of you. So yes. Coming to introduction to TMR Consulting, it's obviously a IT consulting company which was founded in 1998, and till then we are here in the business, and we partnered with Microsoft in 2009, and till then we are in with Microsoft, and we are we are ERP partners. I mean, any vertical ERP vertical they have, Microsoft has launched in the market. We are there, like for you to actually implement that technology with our experts who are not just the software engineers, which is common case with any other consulting company. The beautiful part of our company is that our technology consultants or techno functional consultants are not just the IT people who just do the configuration and customization in the system. No, it's not like that. Our consultants are like having a background or an educational background in accounting, management, and chartered accountancy, and there are ICMAs. So they know the process very well or the business very well, and obviously they have a technological experience over the years. The senior consultants we have in our department have a 15 or plus years of experiences in their department, and they are really, really, really great and robust people. So yeah, so there that was a different or unique point about the great partnership of TMR Consulting with Microsoft. I'll now introduce you to the products and services that we have at TMR Consulting. You can see right over here on your screens that TMR Consulting has three verticals basically, in which we are helping enterprises to implement the enterprise level ERP solution that I said before. That's Microsoft Dynamics Business Central, which come with a lot of other apps. That's the first one. The second one is Microsoft 365 Suite itself. That's a productivity tool from Microsoft, and we can implement or configure it for you, and we can help you getting it on a great prices from Microsoft, and can facilitate you go with this productivity suite very easily. And then comes the topic of discussion today, that's called Business Central, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. That's an ERP solution that's an extensive ERP solution, very, very, very robust and a very seamless experience you will have once you start using it. Apart from this, we have our, we have Microsoft Cloud technologies. We can facilitate you, having Microsoft's Azure consumptions, and also we can help you, about, different implementation we have done in the retail sector. This retail sector implementations, we can give case studies about recent implementation of ours in Save Mart, with some 20 plus stored grocery store here in Pakistan, and we have implemented Microsoft Dynamics 365 retail there. The POS is automated, and that was a success for TMR Consulting. And apart from all these Microsoft technologies and platforms, we ourselves have built a team over here who is expert in building apps for Microsoft or Microsoft ERPs, and also have these ERP solutions sometimes come with limitations. Suppose Microsoft Dynamics Business Central, to be very frank, doesn't come with a great payroll management module, but for some of our clients, we have implemented a great payroll module for our customers. And yes, that's how our product development team works. And any web development processes. We have a team of, who is looking after the web development for different customers. And if these applications are to be integrated with any of the ERP solutions we discussed, that can happen too. So yes, that was very important. And the next slide is my favorite slide, where a lot of attendees in the webinar actually look for the customers we actually have for this very technology. You can see different enterprises and also SMBs in the slide, and also in the next slide. These all logos actually represents. These are some of the logos from our valued customers, where we have implemented Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. You can see WOS, that's an international customer. For us, you can see Badakhshan Energy, that's another international customer that we have implemented Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central at. We have Evergreen, we have Shermin Foods, we have Prime Telepower. I mean, a lot of industry verticals there. I mean to say, we are not specific to in just one industry, not just specific to or either trading industry or logistic industry. Yes, we can implement it. That's for them. But we have footprints in education, we have footprints in the telecommunication, we have the footprints and in the retail sector. So our team is a blend of having experience of all those industry verticals. So that's how it's a great chance for any one of you who is attending today and who is looking for implementing this technology in their organization. They can really look for these case studies. We can give a detail of these case studies either in this slideshow or separately upon your request. Coming up to obviously Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, we would like to discuss about the key capabilities, how much it is easy to access, how much is easy to manage, and how much is user-friendly for us. How much it is easy to access, how much is easy to manage, and how much is user-friendly for us. So obviously, when you implement this technology, and there comes a question to a lot of people's mind, or any decision maker in an organization thinks about bringing in an ERP solution to their organization only if they are having certain challenges, like their team performance is not good, their financial reporting is not good, or the accounting software they are currently using is not great enough to cater all your accounting verticals, or or the data that you are currently working is disintegrated, and your teams are working in siloed systems, or things are manually done, like invoicing, you can say, or being done on Microsoft Excel only, and there is no correct, exact way of auditing, or seeing the history of your transactions. So if those sort of challenges started coming to your way while you are operating a great organization, then there comes the need of an ERP solution. And obviously there are plenty of ERP solution in the market, but the technology that we have been using since ages is from Microsoft. You can see the productivity suite. By the productivity suite, I mean the Microsoft 365. We're already habitual of using these technologies, like Microsoft 365's Office suite, where we are habitual of using Excel on our daily basis, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook. So we are already habitual of using Microsoft technologies. So if obviously Microsoft actually brings in a product to the market once it's completely ready to incorporate a lot of requirements of a customer. And if we talk about the ERP solution, it's a great team working for us. A great support from Microsoft is there to actually real-time support is there for us to actually facilitate us whenever we face a problem while doing any transaction in the system. So obviously, apart from these very challenges our organization faces, we have we have to build ourselves in a way to to actually adopt the disruption that has happened after the COVID-19. So we have to adapt with this that change too, right? And obviously when we see some of the analytics that whether we are capable of capable of actually incorporate ourselves with the change, or if we see the analytics, we should actually start thinking about implementing such a technology. There are some of the analytics you can see on their screen. And obviously, when comes next is um, the customers we have implemented. Many businesses remain limited by systems that simply don't allow for change. So here are some of the specific challenges that need customers we have worked and we were experiencing their existing platforms. So if we talk about Badakhshan Energy, that they were having the need of finance and customer engagement platform for its sales and accounting departments to come obviously to accommodate rapid and anticipated business growth. Another was a customer who wanted to run their business from anywhere, like they were international and they were working across the borders. They were not specific to one country. Then they took the advantage of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, which is a cloud technology. From they can sit, they can go anywhere, and they can access this technology from any device, whether that's a phone, tablet, laptop. Anywhere you're sitting, you can access this technology. It's just the way you come to your office in the morning, you open your G Suite or your Outlook, because it's a cloud technology, right? This is the similar way you can access your ERP solution right from your browser, wherever, no matter wherever you are, right? So that's how easy this technology is to be accessed, and we have implemented by the same technology at one of the subsidiaries of Etisalat, where the Etisalat subsidiary actually needed as ERP and CRM solution, which could tightly manage and track all the aspects of their operations. So we successfully implemented these technologies. We have the case studies for them. Detailed case studies are coming up. So, I mean, these were some of the challenges the customers we have implemented the technology at. Some are having. I mean, I'm summarizing this slide. Some of the customers are having, rapid growth in their business. Obviously, to cater, it was not easy to be integrated or carried out just in a simple accounting system. So this is bigger than that. This is a bigger picture than a simple accounting system that we Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. And if we talk about the capabilities itself, what exactly comes in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central? Obviously, it helps SMBs overcome these challenges. Obviously, but Dynamics 365 offers connected business management solution that enables you to adapt faster, work faster, work smarter, in fact, and perform better. Connected means you can bring together your sales, finance, service, and operation teams within a single, easy to use application to get the insight needed to drive your business forward and be prepared for what's next. And it's the reference for naming this technology as the Forbes, according to Forbes Advisor 2023. Business Central actually was named as the best ERP solution in 2023 by Forbes Advisor. If you want to see a report on it, or the exact report where exactly it is mentioned, you can ask us and we can get you the report on your email addresses. So yes, so this is a best ERP solution by 2023. And you can see it just Business Central is in the middle. It's the logo of it, and at the round of it, There you have financial management, sales management, service management, supply chain management, operational management, and project management. Everything that a business has. Suppose we talk about a construction company. Obviously, they have finances, they have service management, they have sales management, operational management, supply chain management, and apart from that, they have a great need for a project management tool where they're managing their resources, managing their assets, and alignment of the resources with the task. Everything you think about project management, that is present in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So yes, so a greater view of it, what exactly there in each of the modules. Here is a list of business capabilities of the technology. Like if we talk about service management and manufacturing are only available in the Business Central premium version. Rest of the modules that you are seeing in this slides are actually they're in the standard version. So if you talk about the finance and accounting, we have general ledgers, unlimited dimensions, multiple currencies, multiple companies, budgets, financial reporting, consolidation, intercompany posting. We have statistical account, a cash flow forecast, fixed asset management, cost accounting, deferrals, electronic payments, direct debits, customer payments processes, late payment predictions that's powered by AI, and bank account reconciliation, bank account management, and check writing. So to just, actually reading out loud these modules is very important because a lot of you must be sitting together wondering what exact modules are there in a specific module. So reading out these modules one by one loudly is the purpose to tell you what exactly there in the technology or in each of the modules of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So this is a very, very great tool if it comes to financial accounting, and then comes the sales and marketing where you are managing the contact management, campaign management, the CRM part of it, and then sales and delivery where you're talking about the sales invoices, the sales order management, the pricing and discounting, campaigns pricing, sales invoice discounts, and a lot of workflows that can be managed in this technology. And then we have purchasing and payables, in which we'll be talking about, obviously, or we'll be having the opportunity to manage the purchase invoicing, purchase order management, purchase return order management, and purchase invoice discounts. Anyone who has a question in their mind, they can write to us right now and we can answer you better. And we have a module called inventory control. We have item categories and attributes. We have item tracking, multiple locations, and location transfers. And obviously, we have project management that I discussed. We have supply chain planning and availability. And we have service management, warehouse management, manufacturing. Okay. And then comes our So this slide actually sums up what exactly I was telling a moment before that Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is a cloud ERP solution, and the main objective of this presentation obviously it was to actually demonstrate the interoperability between Microsoft productivity suites such as Outlook, Teams, and Excel with Dynamics Business Central ERP to illustrate the increase in productivity your business will leverage with these cloud solutions. But what is Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERP solution? That would we discuss. And then obviously Dynamics 365 Business Central is, if we conclude it, it's a complete solution that will give you a better control to manage your business from financial management, sales, service, and supply chain management. And you can access it from anywhere, anytime. And this technology is great. So if we talk about this slide, this is one of my favorite slides. It says it's when we talk about Microsoft Cloud Platform, it's important to discuss in this orientation session today that, Microsoft is not just about product with a suite like Outlook, Word, Excel, SharePoint, and Team. Just to name a few, Microsoft also offers full range of enterprise solutions such as CRMs and ERPs. And also, Microsoft has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence and machine learning to add value across all its platforms to offer better customer and operations insight, as well as the predictive data models to make better real-time decisions. Companies who have implemented business centrals have been able to benefit and leverage Microsoft's vast network of specialized applications through the Microsoft App Source. There are now more than 3,000 apps to support your business actually needs, and installing and deploying them would help you actually cater a lot of needs of specific or unique needs of your business. And Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is just an easy and easy technology to be implemented, not any other complexity that comes or deters our implementation process, because the team itself is equipped with the right technology, and the processes are known to them, the business ideas are there, the understanding of your business flows and your workflow process or anything that's relevant to your business or challenges that's known to our team. It's just that we sit for a requirement gathering session, we discuss the agreements, whatever are there, if we are going to embark a journey together in future, hopefully. So yeah, that sort of a thing can happen. I'll quickly move on to the slide where I wanted to show you what exactly Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central look like. So this is a snapshot of the look of, or from the inside of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is how does it look like, and what are from your Microsoft Dynamics Business Central solution, you can access all the productivity apps through the powerful menus located at the top of the left screen. If I wanted to play this, hold on, what I can do is I can directly show you this system from the other window. You just need to give me a few seconds to switch to the window and then start showing what exactly there in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central window looks like. So hold on. So this is the landing page. This is the landing page which actually tells you what exactly this company, Coronas International Limited, has its Business Central ready for it. And you can see how cool is the interface. You can see a headline is there, and all the modules that you want to access from here are rightly available over here. The actions you take, you just if I build a story, anyone from finance or a business manager comes to the office in the morning and wants to see what's the business health of your business, they can just log into the system by putting in your credentials. That credentials are specific to you, and you just log into the system. This is a Coronas International Business Manager's window where he's seeing all the action that he needs to, he usually perform while he's working. And then the tile concept right here is a drill down concept where you're seeing the ongoing sales, the ongoing purchases, the payments, and any documents that you have pending for approval or anything that have recently been added to the system, or any intercompany posting or intercompany transaction that has been happening, or if if the business manager himself wants to upload a timesheet of his in the self-service section, he can upload or she can upload, and a lot of insights can be shown from here. So you can see it's the analytics right over here, which is actually showing you the cash flow of, by month, categorized by month. So this is the bar chart we have shown you, and which actually calculates the total cash flow in a month. You can see the trial business balances from here. And Power BI tools, we can, using Power BI tools, we have financial dashboards, which are actually telling us about the gross margins, operating margins. You can see the type of reports we have, or the type of charts we have. We have line charts, we have bar charts, we have pie charts, we have tabular charts. We have the luxury of having, reporting in our own favorite, way. And it's powered by Microsoft Power BI. So since it's a cloud technology, and Microsoft actually, helps these technology to grow even more, even into a bigger, platform, because Microsoft wants its technologies to be, known to everyone. And it's a great tool, which can be used for all the SMBs that are working, and they should switch from their current accounting software to actually go to this system. So this was a look of it. If I want to see any sales codes I have received, so currently I'm seeing only one sale code. I just go drill down. I can see the code that I was talking to. Okay, and the details of the code, any attachment that's relevant to it, are right over there. And anytime I can create a new entry in the sales order, or the sales code, and I can post it, and things work seamlessly. So this was just a look of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. And if you see the navigation from the top, you can see the finances there, and your the in that capability slide I was talking to you about the general chart of accounts. If I go to the chart of accounts, it will be shown to you, and what exact transaction have been happened. Every other thing would be accessible to right from the home window. Okay, you don't need to just go and search where exactly the modules I need to work on. So obviously, in the next is the cash management, where you'll be obviously seeing, charts or of the cash flow accounts, and bank deposits, payment terms, a lot of other things relevant to cash management. And we come to sales. Obviously, we'll be looking into the sales orders, sales codes, anything relevant to the sales module would be here. So I haven't navigated to anywhere. I'm just at the home page or the landing page, and I'm seeing everything as a business manager. So I tell you one more thing about Business Central is that it comes with the opportunity of everyone, based on the role we are having at an organization. We can have our tailored home pages, like if a salesperson comes or sales or marketing person comes in the morning and wants to see what exact campaigns he is running, what type of pipeline he is managing, so that sort of a reporting will be shown to him based on his job responsibilities and role. Business Central comes with 30 different roles by default, and you can use these reports, so roles, and log into the system, and the system will be tailored, according to the business actions you perform in a day. So yeah, the reports can be accessed right from here. And yeah, it's great. You'll reports regarding human resource, reports regarding purchasing, reports regarding manufacturing. That's a whole city of modules. You just go and explore, and it's unending. So I mean, it's a great technology. At the end, I would say anyone who is interested in, we can give you a very full end-to-end demo, not a problem for us. And since we are running out of time, and I'm being giving a trigger from my admin to just actually start concluding the session. So yeah, this is how a Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central looks like, and how beautifully the things are captured over here. If you want to see anything, if you want to want me to show you anything, I can show you right from here. I'm going back to the slideshow. If you want to keep me presenting about this, I can stay here, or if not, then I can go to the slideshow. Anyone who wants to see anything in this, I'm going to shorten this for today. And this is the slide where you can write to us, BD at TMR Consult. Any query that you have in your mind, you can always write to us. And yeah, that's all for today. Anyone has a question in their mind, you can always um, write to us on this email. The email is gonna be shown to you for a good 5 minutes, and by in that duration, whoever has a question, they can always ask. Thank you. I'm muting myself.